Welcome, everybody. We've got a special live stream today for Eat the Elephant. We've got Trevor here live together.
It's really me.
Normally, we're an hour apart. We're in different time zones, but Trevor's out visiting family, so he was close by. So today for Eat the Elephant, we are going to try and do our launch build. Everything to launch. We'll probably worry about assets and app store assets maybe tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see how far we get. But that's the goal. So Eat the Elephant is an app where you enter in a big goal that you're trying to accomplish, and it will pop up a screen anytime you get on a distracting app and encourage you to do a task towards your large main goal. So that's what we're working on. Thanks for following along, and we're just gonna start cranking away.
Oh yeah, I'm excited about this. So yeah, I've been working. This is kind of like a vacation, but I've also kind of just been working on this during the day, which has been nice. But I did some stuff today.
Yeah, let's see.
Off of Brett. Brett sent me this video the other day. And I've been pulling it up and
I just sent you. So this is Eat the Elephant app. This is what's on my phone as task to win the RevenueCat Shipathon, and I just sent him a screenshot.
Yeah. So I'll just go through and say the ones I've done versus not done. I did not do the save state because I think that's gonna be a little tough, and I don't think it's worth it. Right?
Yeah, that's not for launch day.
Okay. Added tip kit. We did set that up a little bit. It doesn't look the best.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, I need to. So if I come here, I invalidate tips, close the app and reopen it, then I should have. Maybe I don't.
Is it only after the onboarding flow?
Yeah, it might be because I've already seen the tip. Maybe let me delete the app and reinstall it. So yeah, the idea is it should only be shown once as like part of like the last part of the onboarding flow. So
is this settings, Trevor, currently in a admin version of the app?
I changed it up so the debug settings are just for on the debug build. So this is our onboarding.
Yeah, onboarding's looking smooth.
It's looking pretty good. I was thinking
we need to finish the screen time app.
Yeah, all the screen time
Yeah, we need to make it work.
Yeah.
Okay, love the updates we did there. Distracting apps neutralized.
There you go. So this is what the tip looks like. But I don't know.
All we need to do is say to the top.
Yeah, that's true.
I think that's it. I think just dot. Top is where the little carrot needs to come, and then let's just leave it.
So yeah, the way it works is we have this tip. We create an instance of it here, and then we have it as a popover on the add milestone section. And you do have an arrow edge. So is that what you're saying? Like just adding the arrow edge?
I think just setting that to top, and then that should set it as well to.
Let's see it. Let me try this.
That should set it to what we need.
Okay, so if that's the case, then the add a tip kit should be done. Okay, see, it puts it on the side.
Yeah, why did it put it? Do you have some sort of auto thing turned on?
What do you mean auto?
Let's see. Yeah, edge. Arrow edge is top.
It's still on the side.
It's set to the section.
It's tip, action.
Arrow edge is an edge. View action.
I wonder what the action is.
I don't know. mean, it might be fine because if we do add AI later on, that might be a place where you have add milestone manually button and then a add milestones with AI button, and then you wouldn't really need a tooltip.
That's true. So do we take the toolkit tip out?
Because I mean, it's blocking the button, like at that point.
Yeah. So
then it is less helpful, unfortunately. Whatever we did the first night, it was pointing it to it correctly.
Yeah. Right. I'm gonna see if I can add like padding below the section, and then put this on the padding.
Okay.
See if that does anything different. But yeah. So that would be big. Oh, see, that just makes it look even more.
Maybe we'll leave it. Like, it's obviously not needed for launch, so we just comment it out.
Just comment it out.
Or yeah.
I might just take it out to like
keep it clean cut.
Yeah.
We'll get to that another time. Tonight we're gonna try and get this thing so we can launch it.
All right.
We have until the 30th. We want to help everybody accomplish their goals. We need more users, so we get more feedback.
All right. Okay. I just cleaned up all the tip stuff.
Okay. Sorry.
No, that's fine. I think it would look nice if it looked nice, but I could try to look into it.
Yeah.
Anyways, the text to explain what you get when you pay, I think that's up to you.
That's what I did, and I will go continue to work on that. So last night on the live stream, I worked on some stuff, and then I hit save or I moved something around. I'm not sure. It was really late, and some of the stuff I had got lost. So, so this Trevor hooked up to a monthly and a yearly, but I don't know.
And I'll show you like what.
I don't know where this common monthly came from and common yearly. I don't know what those are.
Those are what I have set up in App Store Connect. So it's synced over.
Okay,
so
that's what
like,
I was hoping.
That's the name of the
great.
The things.
So is that the actual price?
$69? No, I put it as $20 a year.
How come it's not pulling in the right? Why would it be pulling that price?
I don't know. When you go over it, what is it? Does it say anything?
That's what it does.
Maybe that's just like
product price per period. Wait.
Because look, this is what I see when I pull up.
Yeah, see.
The paywall.
$69 a year.
Which might be like just their example.
Oh, I keep doing Command Z on this. Command Z doesn't work.
This is what I see in the app right now. It says like error validating, but I do see.
Okay.
I do see the right prices.
Then let me.
And $19.99.
So I had a little section. Maybe I'll just add it back in. That said like what you got with free. Like
free versus.
Because I feel like apps are not very clear in what is free and what is not free. So I want to be very clear that free, you get unlimited tasks. You can create unlimited tasks. But if you want themes and focus mode, that's where you pay.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we still need to work on that, and that would be through RevenueCat. So it's
I'll work on that right now. That'll be done real fast.
Okay. The next thing, keyboard just randomly hides sometime. I have not done that yet. I sent it to you. But I did do.
Do you have an idea of why that's happening?
No, but I know where the issue would be. It's just it. I'm pretty sure it's when it saves to Swift data.
Mm-hmm.
Then it like.
But how would you solve that?
I need to look up. A couple of the tools that we'd use to solve it are in the.
Like I'm wondering if it's like a line text change or if it's like a restructure. You know what I mean? Like, is there just like some sort of like don't hide keyboard on save or something, or is it?
No, it might be like not a complete restructure. We have this keyboard active task pre-built, and this is what determines when the keyboard's up. So something must be happening where this gets set to nil, or the task that it's looking at gets set to nil and then gets recreated.
Oh, when it saves.
Yeah, it might like. Yeah. So maybe something like it's like.
I mean, that's probably not something we look in tonight if we're trying to launch.
Yeah. Yeah, my thought is like maybe I'll just like try to have an animation on that thing. Maybe it will know. No, I don't know.
Do we have a free trial?
Yeah, on the yearly we do.
On the yearly we do?
Yeah, of a week.
Okay.
But you told me like we could do.
I think either way, they both could have a week trial.
That's true.
We might just have to figure out how to set this up.
Yeah. The other stuff though, add task button doesn't say what the parent is. It should now. So once you add some tasks, it'll say add task to hello.
Nice. Yes.
Right?
Which is helpful. Yeah.
And it's just on this stuff. So as you keep going,
that's fine. I think we'll have to do something in the design. I think I have something here to like make it more obvious what's connected to what. But
okay. For now, do we want to mark that off?
Yeah,
then?
that one's done.
Okay. The next thing is if task is empty when it loses focus, remove the task. So if I drop the keyboard, it gets removed.
There we go. Phenomenal.
Clicking add task button should focus the input box for the new task. So when I hit add milestone, it does it there. When I when I go to like add a child, it does it there. When I do this one,
it's hitting go. Hitting go was when it wasn't doing it.
Hitting go?
Yeah, so now hit down at the bottom.
Oh.
Type something.
Maybe when I hit go.
Well, you have to type in a task or it'll delete. That it wasn't doing it. So way to go. That's great.
And is that
and click add new task to milestone?
Like this one?
This guy?
To hello?
Yeah. I guess there already is a new one. Oh, you handled it. Look at that.
You add milestone and it pops up here and it moves there.
Smooth.
I don't know what's this.
Okay, that looks great.
Okay. Add emojis to keyboard. I got that figured out.
Okay, so what was it?
It's the idea that like I was explaining to you, this keyboard without predictive text is a function I made. I just had to set these two things. So keyboard type needs to be web search and autocorrection disable needs to be true for it to have all of these
for it to have the emojis. So autocorrect is turned off?
I have autocorrect turned off to get rid of the predictive text.
Yeah.
At the top of the keyboard.
Yeah, which
I mean,
it doesn't seem helpful.
Yeah. So that's where the other app comes into play. I don't have it. So today I kind of went off on a different thing. I just show the screen, but I created this other app which has 16 Pro Max. This is like a keyboard demo, which allows us to kind of figure out what we want from the keyboard. So, yeah. So we have it as web search with autocorrect false. So this is what the keyboard is in Eat the Elephant now. But do we want anything different?
I guess that's why it says go.
Yeah, I could change the Smith label.
I think we wanted to say done.
Yeah, we might need to not have web search then. So,
how does default not have them?
So Alphabet doesn't have emojis. Default does have emojis, but it keeps the predictive text.
But set that to true, even if you set...
This thing's true, it starts with stuff. False, it doesn't start, but then as you're typing, it does have stuff.
Huh.
Which I'm down for if... We want
I
the
feel like I
predictive
could
text.
live with that over it saying go with a period.
Yeah. What if we do like? Okay, ASCII keyboard. We got numbers and punctuation. No.
That's weird that
URL. We shouldn't.
no.
Phone pad. Name phone pad has search, and then this changes to that. So we should.
No.
Email address. No.
Yeah.
We do Twitter.
So alphabet
Alphabet
doesn't.
doesn't. It's like web search.
Yeah.
And Twitter doesn't have an enter that, so we can't.
Yeah, we can't do that.
So it's really like.
But default, I guess with default, then we just
We have to,
and maybe predictive, because then our other keyboard stuff would sit on top of that.
yeah.
So
If you're.
I think that's okay.
Yeah. So what do we want the
I think we
submit
should.
label to be?
Oh, probably done. Didn't we have done or next or return?
We could have next because it is like the. It always goes to the next.
Next, it'll always add one unless you hide the keyboard. So yeah, next is fine.
Okay. And then auto capitalization. Should it capitalize words?
No.
It's just sentences.
Yeah.
Like the first one. Okay.
Yeah.
Which I think is the default.
That's cool. You can set that.
So and then autocorrect. Do we want autocorrect to be on?
I don't know.
I was like going through and showing my family the app, and I mistyped a couple things, and it didn't catch it.
And you didn't like that?
And I didn't like that.
Okay, then
Yeah.
do autocorrect.
Yeah. And then scroll dismiss mode. I was thinking interactive, but I'm also down for immediately. Like,
No,
is that
immediately.
too much?
Yeah, interactive. I mean, I think the interactives.
Okay. So this is what we want. So I'm gonna call this eat the elephant.
So you don't have just like a grab that on your app? How's that work?
But should I? That's.
I feel like that's what the whole thing would be, right?
Yeah.
Is then now, if I clicked on that, it would just copy that code to the
copy
clipboard.
that, and I can just paste it in.
And you just paste it in.
That'd be sick.
That seems like the app to me.
Okay. Which we might make this. You're at 20%. Is that gonna survive?
We'll make it.
Nice. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, we'll do
I'm
that.
gonna plug it in. Okay, keep going. I've got a cord right here.
Okay, so I'm gonna change that, and this is gonna be on all the, including the goal, and the milestones, and all the tasks. It's all gonna have the same
Great.
functionality.
Yeah. It should all be the same keyboard. Sorry, we're just getting that plugged in.
Okay. Okay. And then the next thing is sort finished task into own thing or hidden or at the bottom. I have not done that, but
Yeah,
it might take a bit.
then let's not worry about it.
And it'd be nice to see like designs for it.
Yeah.
'Cause, yeah, is it like a new section that says like finished
Yeah,
task?
I don't know yet. I was thinking just sorted within its milestone tasks, but
Yeah. Okay. Which I could do. I could look into it.
let's work on something else.
That might be like a 2-line change. So
Yeah.
Anyways, okay. Add themes. That's what I did as well today. So this is the new settings thing. This debug is it only appears when you're running the app through Xcode. So Eat the Elephant Pro.
Try premium.
Try premium pops up this.
Bam.
Once you have premium, it changes, but I'll do that later. Theme. Show sign. Subscribe to
unlock themes,
and you
dude.
tap that and it does it.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's big.
Haptics, I didn't hide behind a purchase because I feel like that.
No, that's an accessibility thing.
So, and then the rest of this isn't shown to the end user, so they only see these 3. But we might want to put like about us.
Well, we'll need the screen time API. They'll need a way. Well, I guess not. They can handle it in. Because they can handle screen time API in screen time API. Whether it's on or off.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there's still a lot of screen time API still that we haven't like.
Yeah, that's probably. I feel like that's what we need to figure out tonight.
Yeah,
that's more. That to me is more where we need to spend our time.
But yeah, I added the haptic stuff, but I've not actually. It's saving it, but I think the only haptic spot that we have is in the terminal text, right?
Oh, okay.
Like, I think we need to add like a haptics.
Well, I think in the future we'll have, when you finish a task, it'll type out your next task. Like it'll cross it off, do a little confetti burst, and then the next task will go.
Okay. So for now, like this haptics actually isn't.
It doesn't do anything, but
it'll save and we can use it later.
It's there.
Okay, cool. And that's all I did.
No, that was a bunch. Okay, then I think
this looks fun.
The thing we need to, it looks really good. Click enter focus mode.
Boom.
Okay, we'll turn on, give me.
Yeah, okay. And then once you subscribe.
Do we get it? Do you have just the 1 week trial built in?
Yeah.
So really this screen just needs to say free trial.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'll take this button out and just put text that says like free trial for 7 days for either plan. We can do that.
Nice. Yeah, if you are subscribed, manage subscription. Right now, it only pops up the screen, but I know that there's something where it'll
take
link you to
oh,
the
that'd be
settings.
really nice. Yeah, then they can turn it off if they need to.
Yeah, which is kind of like the anti-dark pattern. It's like a light pattern. Like we maybe shouldn't put it in there.
No, I like it.
But then themes.
I think the more transparent you are, the easier you make things. Like the more people are like.
We'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have all these different themes.
I like that, a light pattern.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Click enter focus mode now. So I can start my task. Does everything in here work?
Yeah. Let's see if I hit skip task.
So skip task didn't. Oh well.
Because that was the last task. So if I add another task. And then.
What's going on with the keyboard?
It's because the keyboard should be up.
Oh, got it.
I'm on the art simulator. So then I drop this and then I do focus mode.
Okay,
Skip
hi,
task.
skip.
Oh.
Okay, so skip needs to work.
Okay. So do that.
Oh, we also need to complete our widget by tonight.
Oh, freak, dude. Oh, gosh.
How many we've completed, though, would be legit if we get done before 2 a.m. Yeah, I think we'll probably find things on the Screen Time API that'll take up the rest of the time.
Yeah.
But I'm going to start working on some marketing assets. Dude, this feels like hackathon days.
I know, right? Oh, so fun. Dang, dude, this.
What's going on?
I'm trying to see why it's not going to the next task. It's correctly calling the function where it should be like updating the focus task.
Okay. Is focus mode not reloading properly?
It's something weird where it's like. So when it does it, it's looking for the next not done leaf task,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because we can't be doing like the non-leaf tasks.
Right.
So it's going through this function, it's finding it, but the issue is I put a debugger in here, and when I try to look at what task it's finding, it's like, it's a ET task, Swift data no type.
It's not finding
It's
it.
kind of like, it is finding it, but I'm like not able to see what it is.
Oh, we'll click now, can you? you click forward one.
Seems weird because it works when we complete the task.
Can we have the I'm thinking through screen time API. If we make the ignore button a paid feature, then with the free version there wouldn't be a way to access the app. So it might not work.
Unless they do the task. But do we make the ignore button like default on? And it's a paid feature to turn it off.
It's a paid feature to turn it off, but then it would also need to be a paid feature that like once you accomplish so many tasks in a day, the ignore button turns back on. Or something. So.
Yeah. Like force at least one task per day to be done before you can ignore.
Yeah, you have to finish a task before you can click the ignore button.
Yeah, I like that.
And that would be, like, I would turn that on.
Yeah.
That would be big.
And maybe we say like it resets at 9 a.m. Like we should have a time.
Okay, sorry, this is.
It's just slowly going down.
Our little camera is slowly cropping us out. You can tell we got a really high-tech live stream setup here. I'll tell you what, our kids are going to have a heyday when they're teenagers and go back and watch this.
Yeah. That'll be funny.
That's going to be a good time. Yeah, then really what you get with paid is themes. You get focus mode, which is real helpful for doing it. And then I don't know. I think for now I'll just leave out AI tasks. Like I know it's a feature we want to add, but like, why talk about it? You know?
Yeah.
If you're not buying it right now, why do you care?
Plus, it's like we throw this out, and if nobody's using it, like, do we?
We're not doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like if this app doesn't work, well, I don't know. It's like part of me is like this app only works with AI because that's where like it gives you such good tasks. But we'll see. We'll leave it up to the community. So themes, focus mode, and then remove ignore button or force. I have to say what it does. Remove ignore button. So then in the free tier you get create unlimited tasks. Your only limit is how much storage is on your phone. So there's a theoretical limit. Create unlimited tasks and then
themes. Oh, this is free too.
Yeah, is that it? You can just create unlimited tasks. That's it.
And toggle haptics.
Yeah, but that's not not putting that on there. Okay, how's it looking, dude?
Let's see if I can figure out what might be the issue.
All right, I'm actually going to remove all color from this screen. Just make things white.
Okay, I think I got it.
Nice. Is this 19% off thing, is that something I need to?
Let me see.
Where is it coming from? Store only promotional offer. Is that 19% off? Is $70 19% off of 120? It's more than that. It's almost 50% off.
Yeah.
So where is that number coming from?
50%, 58% of. 42% off.
We have overlay badge, but oh, badge intro offer text, badge multiple intro offers. I don't know where that's popping up. How do I get rid of it? Oh, here's the badge. Product relative discount off. Okay, so it is. Wait, that's annoying. Look, product.relative discount. That's not that's not an option. So there's other options. There's more options than this.
Yeah, try searching.
Oh.
Well, do they have documentation of all
Why doesn't it just show me all the options?
Yeah.
Abbreviated, price per year, thing. Huh. Relative discount, 19%. Relative to what? To monthly?
Probably.
But it's not. It's fine.
I bet it's that's the text and then it'll do the math.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that bug should be fixed.
Okay, I actually might throw in a splash of color over here on the selected guy. I don't think we can do it based on your theme. I mean, we could, I think, if we
here's the thing.
made
They
9 of them.
They don't have themes if they're seeing this. So it will be sign on only.
So. Okay, totally right. You're thinking.
Okay, so now I'm going to do screen time stuff. Screen time, when they're going through onboarding and they select those apps, at that point do we start?
Once they select their apps, it should start blocking. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if they have no tasks, then we're gonna need something that says go make tasks. Like open up, eat the elephant, and make tasks. We're not gonna be able to figure out the slick, take you straight over button.
We should.
But dang, that'd be nice, huh?
Yeah.
Is trial period something that we set with Apple?
Yeah.
Wonder if that's a variable I can access. Okay, here we go. Price per month, price per year, period, abbreviated, weekly, period, in days, period, in weeks, period, in months. I guess the free trial stuff, when you hit continue and then Apple's thing pops up, it'll say free trial and then you're starting. So
yeah, I know Apple is pretty stingent on like, you do need to like share pretty much all the needed info.
yeah, which is great. Yeah. But I think this continue button could say start free trial.
Yeah. That's what if
Right?
there might be the case where they've started a free trial and they've finished it and then they open up this again. You might not be able to say start free trial there. Like, is there a property to see if the trial is, they're eligible for trial?
Select an offering for your paywall. Oh, default no offering.
Oh, offering is the, so in RevenueCat,
That is the free trial, right?
offering is, oh, 10 customers? Is that just us?
That's us.
Yeah, it's it's somewhere in here. I need to find it. Okay, in product catalog, offerings is this thing,
And that's the one I'm messing with.
which has the 2
Okay.
packages within the offering.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, my bad. I don't know if that helps, but
Oh, I forgot we could go to a web purchase, dude.
oh yeah,
One day.
one day.
Yeah, that's new. Okay, what are you thinking of?
I'm trying to figure out how to allow them to ignore, like to still access the blocked app.
Oh, it's just you just dismiss the thing. So you just need to add a second button, and then it's you know the options. One is just dismiss, or close, or cancel, or something.
So I do dot.
What are the options again?
Close.
Yeah,
defer.
close. Close.
But I think close actually like closes the app. But,
oh, none? Is it none?
Maybe. Yeah, let's try.
Because defer allows you to call Screen Time API again. Like if we added like a skip button, they could click skip and then it would defer and open up the next task.
Yeah. Should be sick. Okay, so
okay, I am pretty happy with this. So
I think you just push it, right? Or
I know, but this is what I did last time. I saved. Choose what version you want to preview. Save. You can save changes to the draft version before publishing them. Changes in your draft will not be visible. The paywall that is published. So if I click save to draft, it has an error. Ooh, select a light mode image. Huh.
but you could probably just put the same one.
Why wouldn't it just allow that? Oh, I see. Yeah, don't do light mode. Light mode is totally broken.
Oh, really? Nice.
Okay, and then I publish changes. Okay, it should be published, so
Okay, yeah, I'll try that one.
when you get to it,
oh, nice, yeah, look at that. Ooh.
I mean, that's why people like this. That is fast. Oh, let me go clean up that text right there.
Yeah, it should be mono, right?
Yeah, I'll clean it up.
Where does it say the trial? And then this button's like at the very top. Does it think that we're doing a full sheet?
Well, I couldn't find a place to put the trial in here. Maybe I could put it here. Free tier includes unlimited tasks, and then I could have another thing that says like first time subscribers get 7 days for free.
Yeah, do we want to do the free on the monthly as well?
Yeah, I think both should just, yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
So fun, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. I see why people like this, because then I could just come in here and be like, oh, I want to update this or add that or whatever, and I just kind of do it real quick.
So this is none does like nothing at all.
Okay, then that ain't it.
So I'm gonna try this up. Close.
It's got to just be simple. It's just like one of those things.
Mm-hmm. Close closes
The app.
to the, it goes to the home screen.
Okay, says chat.
And defer just, I think.
Oh, I think we have to set how much time. We have to set something that says like it's not blocked, and then we have to set a time frame.
Time frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, because defer will just wait for us. I think I'll run the code again. So yeah, how?
So we need to click defer, but then it needs to.
Yeah, so we need to like switch on the action to see. Okay, if it's the primary button, we for sure just close. So in here we remove
Okay. Should be good now. Now it says free tier includes unlimited tasks. New subscribers get a free 7-day trial.
nice.
Simple. Okay.
Yeah.
What do we need to figure out?
Yeah, I don't know if chat knows how to do this. Because it's telling me I can do completion of dot on shield, but that doesn't exist. So I'm gonna look up.
Do you remove the category or ID from something?
I think we could, but then how do we add it back?
I don't know.
And so I have to break up the think hard and anyways, is this your phone or do you what phone has the current list of stuff? I just want to see like what
Yeah.
else.
I haven't changed anything.
Okay.
If you click skip task, it works.
Yeah. Well,
Well, no, that doesn't work.
there's only the one task.
Okay, add more tasks. Can it not do that? You can make it not a sheet. You can make it another page if you want to, if that's easier. Just navigate to a page.
Yeah, let's see.
And then, I guess this is paywalled. Yeah, I mean, really the last thing is the ignore button.
Yeah.
Like having it act, and does it pop up and actually give me a task yet? I don't think it gives me a task, does it?
Give you a task again.
Like when the screen time API pops up, it doesn't actually tell me a task to do.
No, yeah.
So
which we could do if
we need to design that out. Nice.
Okay. Holy shit.
You kept a sheet?
No. I changed it to just be a Z stack, so if the focus task is available, if there's a focus task, it just pops up on top of the list. And then it'll disappear if not. So it'll look like this.
Sweet.
I can maybe add some animation on there.
Okay, sec. Exit works. Click skip task. Now we're talking.
Done. Because it's the last one. So if I hit focus mode, start task, done, and then it goes to task 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, it's really.
Okay, that works now. That works good enough. We'll clean that up another time.
Okay. So temporarily.
Because we
on
need
the
to add
block.
animations eventually when you complete a task. Okay, so now we just need screen time API design, which would be really simple, and then a button that says ignore.
Yeah.
And we'll eventually get a button that says enter focus mode. You'll click that and it'll deep link you in.
Yeah.
That'll be nice.
Ultimately. Okay. So this is what it's figured out is I don't know if this will work. Yes. So you pass in a token and a duration. Defaults it to 15 minutes.
Well, see, how do you pass in a duration? Because
I think
if they leave the app and come back, it should reblock.
Yeah, see.
Right? Like, but I guess we know when the app is called, so really we just need to check. Like maybe we have a state where we're only allowing one app at a time to be open or being unignored or something.
So it's like I need to maybe I save a var like.
But there's also the element of like, once I've done 3 tasks for the day, maybe it just stops bothering me.
Yeah. And this is where I'm like, oh, it's getting late. I feel like I could bust this out. Like,
we
when
can
I'm not sleepy.
We can pause.
Yeah.
Okay, we got super far today. So we're gonna keep cranking on this tomorrow. Because the main point of the app is the screen block, so we want it to be really good. I think real quick, Trevor, we could do set the background to black.
On this one?
Yeah.
Okay, the background is black.
Why was it not black?
Background blur style.
Just dark. We just want pure black. And then set the image to not our emoji but our logo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel you though. Sometimes I'm like wanting to get something done, but I'm like, man, if I just go to bed and wake up tomorrow, I will finish this so fast.
Yeah. Okay, so here's black.
Okay.
With a dark blur.
Okay.
Is that a good color?
That's fine.
Okay. And then instead of this, we want
we want our logo.
our logo. So we have these shared assets. So I'm gonna pull our logo image,
Transparent one because the black's not the same.
into here. I'm gonna use this in here instead.
Sweet.
And then colors on these.
Just white and then. Actually, can we do theme color?
We will be able to, ultimately. So we do theme color on this one. And then white on this one.
Yeah, it'd be kind of cool.
And then start task. And then continue.
Yeah, except start task doesn't like actually start it.
Yeah. So.
But would love to figure that out.
Oh yeah.
I would push the delay. I'd delay the launch a day to figure that out.
I did. Okay, so that's with those updates.
Yeah, that looks sick with your goal real big like that.
Yeah. Start. So start.
Can it have can start working on your task or continue to your app be? Oh, I guess.
So the title, subtitle.
So the title is your next current task?
I just have it hard coded right now.
Okay.
So you tell me what.
I think it should be your next task.
We could even say your next task.
Yeah, your next task. And then it'll just say, the problem is if you're really deep in your sub levels, you won't like have the context.
Yeah.
But that's where you clicking start task.
It should link. Oh.
It's just link, dude. That'd be big. So let's just figure that out.
Okay. Yeah.
And then the ignore button pops up. Maybe we make a setting where if you've accomplished a certain number of tasks, the ignore button becomes available. Otherwise, it's not there. But then if you're on the free version, there's just always an ignore button.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that one. So ignore. Like what should it say? Ignore.
Ignore. I think you can just say ignore.
Make it white.
Yeah, why isn't it popping up though?
It is right here.
Continue to app.
Let me rewrite.
Yeah, ignore to me is that's it. Yeah, and then that when the RevenueCat Shipathon could just be the huge text for your task. Mm-hmm. And then the subtask could be, or that subtitle could be. I wonder if the subtitle could be where the task is coming from.
Yeah, we could.
So it's like when the RevenueCat Shipathon arrow, code it arrow. You know what I mean? So it like gives you that. But then it's really, your task is really big. I like that.
So we can do new lines. I wonder what's the number of new lines we could do. Yeah, if you're deep, it'd be cool if you could be like, and we could like just put spaces. So.
Well, it's all center aligned though, so I don't know how you'd calculate it.
Yeah.
And you can't change the text font.
No. That'd be cool.
I think even if it just is the text, like the milestone dash milestone dash milestone dash milestone, and then it just.
Yeah.
Or it could go backwards if you wanted to. So it's like, here's your big task, and then here's the milestone most closely associated to that one, and then its parent milestone, and then its parent.
Yeah.
Because it'd be nice to have your main goal on there too. But maybe we could do just your main goal is what pops up. Like really big. I don't know what would be better.
Yeah. And that's where we should just test it.
That's where we test it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, we made a bunch of progress. thank you everyone for joining us in this special edition. This will be the last time that we get to be together for this. So
ever. Just I don't know. Until we do this full time.
Hopefully not. Yeah, right now we're just on the side. All right, thanks for joining. And if you're interested in the build, Trevor's pushing it right now. If you want to play around with the things that we were able to finish tonight, click the link below and you can join the test flight.